If you're trying to identify low-value activities with time logs, you're in the right place. This simple yet effective method can help you pinpoint where your time is being wasted so you can focus on what really matters. In the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to do this using time logs. And by the end, you'll know exactly what changes to make to be more productive. Make sure to stick around until the end, because I'll be sharing an exclusive free trial for a software that can help streamline this process, just for viewers of my channel. The first step is to start logging your time. This might seem obvious, but the key here is to be as detailed as possible. Instead of just writing down broad categories like work or emails, break it down into specific tasks like checking emails, writing reports, or attending meetings. The more specific your time log is, the easier it will be to identify where you're wasting time. Once you have your time logs in place, the next thing to do is to analyze the data. Look for activities that don't contribute to your main goals or long-term objectives. These are your low-value activities. For example, maybe you're spending an hour a day on social media that's not related to business or networking, or you're getting stuck in meetings that don't require your full attention. Highlight these activities so you can see them at a glance. Now it's time to ask yourself a few questions about these low-value activities. Does this task contribute to my bigger goals? Is it something that could be delegated or automated? Could I eliminate this activity entirely without any major consequences? If the answer is no, then this is something that needs to go. Once you've identified these low-value tasks, it's time to take action. This could mean cutting them out entirely, delegating them to someone else, or using tools and software to automate them. I'll talk more about the software we'll be using shortly, but the key is to make your life easier by eliminating or minimizing these low-value tasks. At this point, you'll probably want to find a tool to help manage this process. You've probably tried some popular software already, but I recommend you check out the software we'll be using in this tutorial. It allows you to track your time easily and gives you insights into how to better allocate your time. Best of all, if you want to follow along, there's an exclusive free trial available in the description below, just for my viewers. Now, let's go over the key takeaway. Identifying low-value activities with time logs is a simple but powerful way to improve productivity. By being detailed in your time tracking, analyzing your activities, and cutting out the ones that don't contribute to your main goals, you'll quickly see where you can focus your energy on higher value tasks. To recap, first, log your time with as much detail as possible. Second, analyze the data to spot low-value activities. Third, ask yourself if these activities are necessary or if they can be delegated or automated. Finally, use software to make this process even easier. And don't forget to grab your exclusive free trial in the description below if you want to dive deeper. Thanks for watching.